It seems like you're referring to AC Ace, which is a classic British sports car produced by AC Cars. Here are some key details about the AC Ace. AC Ace Overview. *** Production years. *** 1953-1963. *** Manufacturer. **AC Cars. *** Class. *** Sports car. *** Body style. *** Two-door Roadster. *** Engine options. *** AC inline 6. *** 2.0L or 2.2L. *** Bristol inline 6. *** 2.0L derived from BMW designs. Ford Zephyr inline 6. ** 2.6L used in the AC Ace 2.6. Transmission. ** 4-speed manual. ** layout. ** front engine, rear wheel drive. Design. The AC Ace was designed by John Togero and featured a lightweight tubular chassis with an aluminum body. Its sleek, aerodynamic design and excellent handling made it a popular choice for sports car enthusiasts. Performance. The original AC inline 6 engine produced around 100 to 120 horsepower, depending on the configuration. With the Bristol engine, performance improved, and the car could reach a top speed of around 120 miles per hour, 193 kilometers per hour. The lightweight construction, weighing around 900 kilograms, contributed to its agility and speed. Legacy. The AC Ace is most famous for being the basis of the AC Cobra, which was developed by Shelby in the 1960s by fitting a Ford V8 engine into the Ace chassis. The Ace is highly collectible today and is celebrated for its classic design and racing heritage. If you were referring to something else, feel free to clarify.